So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to make Flappy Bird game. So let's start. So this is going to be our part 1, and in this one we are going to make our sprite, background and codes of the sprite 1. So let's first delete this because we are going to make Flappy Bird, not walking bird or walking cat. First of all, let's edit background. For that we need this one, as this matches best with our game, or if you want you can take different also, but by seeing our game theme I am taking this. And now we are going to make a new sprite which is going to be animal, and yet this one is good. Now we need to make one more sprite, going to be our obstacles. So making obstacles is not much difficult, it is actually too much easy. All you have to do is to make some rectangles. So this will be the first one, and we need a second one here. So this one can be our second one. We have to color it up. You can choose any color that you want. I want this color, so I'm taking this. I think we should move it a little bit here. And now try this. This must be fine. And I know cat is too big, so we are just going to shrink it from the shrink tool. I think a little bit more, that is enough I think. And now it's turn to script, for script part. So first of all, always start with when clicked flag. And now we always want that whenever our bird passes this, we get one score. So there is no score block. So for that we are going to make a variable score from here for all sprites. And we want that whenever it starts, the score is always set from 0. And I think from the starting our bird should always start from here. So for that we are going to do motion, and whenever we have to just put if you want you can put it here, but I want it from here. So wherever you will put the position of x and y will automatically be chooser. So let's move to the next part. And we also wanted to show, so we will put this. So putting this is necessary. I will. So right now this code will not work till it is completely made. And now when we play a Flappy Bird game, we always want that our sprite moves forwardly. If you have played, then you would have saw that the bird always falls and we click space bar or W or up arrow so that our bird gets jump. So for that, so it is a forever thing. So for that we are going to put forever, then if repeat, and then we have to go to operators or. So why we are going to add or, you will know. Yeah, so whenever we press space, the bird, okay, this should not happen. Yeah, so whenever we click space, that time the bird should go up and down, up and up, only up. And we have to also put W as an option. So there is no variable jump, so I mean block, so we have to make it from here. So just type jump. Okay, so now we have to define it also, because they don't know what is actually jump. So for that we need to name the sprites, because this is going to be our jump. So when we will click space, that time our sprite, this sprite will change to this for just a moment. So we will name it as jump and this as flat. Now here we have to define now. Look, so whenever we will press space key or W, so our bird should switch to jump. So in the definition, when we will click space bar, the bird, this one will switch to jump, right? So that's why I have added this, and then to again fly. So let us check if this works. You know, it's not working. Oh yeah, let me change the let me think. Oh yeah, that didn't work because we have to change it also, the position. So we will add this repeat here, and I'm now going to do this and we have to change Y by, I think 4 would be nice. Let us test it. Yes, you can see whenever I am clicking this space bar, our bird is going high up, okay, but it is not coming down. So we are going to code it that it comes down too. So in the game we see that always our birds comes down, it falls. So for that we are going to go to motion, change and take y by -3 would be good. So you can see it is falling and it will continue to fall. So whenever we will click this space bar, it will come up. So this is all for part 1, and please subscribe and like and also share this video. My like target is 5 likes so that I will upload second part 2. Bye.